I'm having a custom exhaust fitted to the Juke. Now I'm on the A1 with Snapper. Follow the M1, not the A1, I'm on the M1 with Snapper. We're heading to Leeds where we're going to be seeing Tony Banks. Now this guy has got a good reputation within the area of Leeds. I've seen his work in the past and it's really good, and he makes custom steel exhaust to order there and then. So we're going to go, and I'm not sure if I'm having a cat back or a turbo back system yet, but I will decide when I'm there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I mean, anyone's got a Juke will know that follow the M1. We'll know that the exhaust tone on the Juke isn't great. Yes, it is a tuned Nismo exhaust, but it's still not the best. For me personally, I like a good noisy exhaust, so that's why I'm upgrading it now. I'm gonna have it a little bit fatter, bigger tip, and hopefully a little bit more noise. So yeah, we'll see what we get done when we get there, what tip we'll choose. So yeah, let's get there and get it done. Right guys, we just dropped the car off at Tony Banks Exhaust Systems. For health and safety reasons, you're not allowed to stay there or within the industrial estate, so you have to leave for 3 to 4 hours. Well, that's how long it's going to take for the Juke to be done. So bear that in mind if you're going to Tony Banks Exhaust Systems, that you're not allowed to stay on site. So what we're doing is, me and Snapper, on the way here, we saw a nice Ferrari garage, Maserati garage and a Rolls Royce garage all together. So we're going to go and have a look at them cars. We're looking, we might get a test drive. Oh, I doubt it. But yeah, I'm really excited about getting back there and getting the exhaust, because the tip I've picked, it's massive. It's got a nice carbon cover on it as well. So yeah, I'm excited to get back to the car, get it, see what it sounds like. But for now, for the next 3 or 4 hours, me and Snapper are going to go and have a little nose at some Ferraris. Hopefully show you guys if they let us. And like I said, we're really lucky. If the gods are in our favour, we might be able to get a test drive. I'm not pinning my hopes on that. So yeah, let's go and have a look. Rolls Royce, Motor Cars Leeds. Like I said, there's Aston Martin there, there's Ferrari there. This is the first garage we come to, and they're going to allow us to look around the cars and take pictures, which is good of them. So we're going to look and see what we've got. And as you can see, we've got, what's this one? Snapper?
Cullinan, this is.
Cullinan, the brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan. Now, if you're wondering, this is £350,000. This is how the other half drive. If we're lucky, I might ask if we can get him some. Size of these discs. I mean, these are 22-inch rims, but the size of them brakes, massive, absolutely massive. I'm loving the colour. It's like a beigey grey. Now, me personally, I've got greys and beiges in my house, so I'm actually drawn to this colour. I'm interested to know what that was.
That's where the angel of spirit of ecstasy, that's where it rises up.
Oh, that's cool. Hi guys, we've just been to Rolls Royce, Aston Martin, now we're in Ferrari. The guys at Ferrari allowed us to take pictures and video. And we're in a bit of a special treat here because we've got a very rare special car. See if you can guess it before it. As you can tell by the electricity barriers, this is a Ferrari. Hybrid version. see one of these in my life again. I've never been a fan of Ferrari, I just haven't. I've not really seen them as such in person, like the newish ones. But now I've seen these in person, I can see why everyone loves Ferrari. Look at that. Was it the Spiders? The Spiders here.
GT3.
GT3. Respect.
That is a meaty wing.
Also, this is a used all tuned for racing. We've got racing section, steering wheel, all the kill switches. If you're in the market for a Ferrari, come to Ferrari at Leeds. I'll put a post in the link below so you can see it. Guys, I'm nowhere here from getting the Juke exhaust, but this is just a bit of a bonus feature of this video. Wow, I mean, if you're going to Tony Banks with the exhaust system, get a sneak peek over here, because you might see some cars you never see again in there, especially like that Ferrari. An amazing thing.
Cannonball run. Nice Aston Martin Super Electra there in the white and black with white and black leather interior. Over here we've got the AMG, Mercedes AMG collaboration. The Mercedes AMG is supplying the engine and Aston Martin supplying the body kit. Yeah, I'm digging that, it's nice, really nice. For some reason they've got a classic Morgan in here. It's probably not a classic, it's probably like a new but retro design. That's cool though. I do like a good retro looking car. Little toggle dials and old toggle, well not toggle, switches, because this one don't have any, but I do like a good, a bit like the Mini Coopers with all the toggle switches and the retro dials. I do like that in the car, I think it's cool. Two of my favourite looking colour cars, one being the DB11, one being the Rapid S, is the, I don't know the specific colour, but it's like a grey with a luminous yellow. My favourite colours. Carbon fibre detailing inside. You might struggle to see that, but all that's carbon fibre with suede interior and leather. I'm loving that suede armrest there, that's nice. Really nice.
Right guys, that's a nice little bonus footage there of the Ferrari Rolls Royce. Aston Martin. So I've just got a phone call from Tony Banks. The exhaust is done, so I'm really happy about that. So we're going to head back there now and see what it looks like and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds like I want it to. A bit like one of these Aston Martins or these Ferraris if I'm lucky. So yeah, let's go and check that out guys. With before and after exhaust tones. It does sound a lot better. Sounds a lot like my ST to be fair. So it's straight through the exhaust with 4.5-inch tip with a carbon fibre cover. I paid extra for that cover and that type of tip. And normally you can choose any tip you want for free, that's part of the deal. Now the whole thing was for the cat back, it was £300 excluding VAT. And that's fitted. But I paid an extra 60 quid for that particular tip. Don't ask me why, I just wanted that one with a bit of carbon on. But yeah, all in all, it took them about 2 hours. Obviously we weren't out to stay there and video it, so I can't show you that footage as you've noticed. But yeah, it sounds a lot better, it sounds a little bit throatier, what I like to hear, and it's all good. Quality's good, the tip is good, and they're not bad all round. Now if you're wanting a more louder exhaust, I'd definitely recommend going to Tony Banks, get it done. Lifetime guarantee, so you know you have that exhaust done once, never again, you will never need to change your exhaust. So yeah, I'd highly recommend it. And if you do go, then you can go and check out the Ferrari, Rolls Royce, Aston Martin garage. Real nice people, it's all one garage. They were happy for people to come around and have a look and take pictures, as we did, as you've seen. But yeah, so all in all, a very good day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and support the channel by subscribing, share it on social media, get the ESP name out there, and go and check out Snapper, my photographer's pictures that he's taken of the cars from today in the garage. So go and check out Yellow Photography on Instagram. I'll post a link in the description to his Instagram, and obviously the ECP Facebook page and ECP Instagram page. But till next video guys, thanks for watching, I'll see you then.